Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper. An unforced linear time invariant system is represented as shown, and the initial conditions are also given. You need to find out the solution of state equations. Unforced linear time invariant system. So if you assume there is a system which is LTI system, linear time invariant system. Okay, for that one, generally we will apply the input so that you are going to getting the response. Unforced means no input is applied. That is, input will be treated as 0. Whenever the input is 0 for any system, response is also 0. So output will be no response. So simply this is given as unforced linear time invariant system. Transfer function of this system itself is given with the help of this equation. Okay, now you are going to calculate what is the value of x of t. So you are going to find the state equations in terms of time domain. Okay, so whenever the initial conditions are given, okay, state equations can be calculated using this. X of t is equal to, okay, x of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse into initial conditions. So initial conditions is nothing but x1 of 0 and it is x2 of 0. So this is the equation to be followed, and you can make it as x of t can be written as a matrix form. So this will be x1 of t and it is x2 of t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse into x1 of 0, x2 of 0. So this is equation 1. First we will calculate Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse. Okay, then we will multiply that one with x1 of 0, x2 of 0, so that required x of t can be obtained. Okay, so A value, this itself is going to be treated as A. Now Si minus A, Si minus A. So I means identity matrix. Identity matrix should be the same order as A. So A is a 2 by 2 matrix, so I must be taken as 2 by 2. Identity matrix is 1 0 1 0. Whenever you are multiplying with S, it will become S 0 0 S. That is Si. Next, A value minus A. A means minus 1 0 0 minus 2. So Si minus A will be equal to S plus 1 0 0 S plus 2 it will become. Now Si minus A inverse is equal to, okay, 1 by AD minus BC. 1 by AD, this is A, B, C, D. If you assume these are the elements A, B, C, D of a square matrix, 2 by 2 square matrix, then the inverse is going to be calculated by using 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. So first AD, this is S plus 1 into S plus 2 minus BC is 0. So you will get only this product. So that I am writing this is S plus 1 into S plus 2 with interchanging the elements of A and D. So this is S plus 2 and this is S plus 1, and B and C elements will be gets complement, that is will get negative value. So negative B, negative C. Since it is 0, it doesn't have any negative values, so we will write like this. Otherwise you have to write B as minus B, C as minus C. Okay, now if you are taking this inside, so Si minus A inverse is equal to, okay, S plus 2 get cancelled, so you will get it as 1 by S plus 1 and it is 0, this is 0, here you will get it as 1 by S plus 2. Now apply Laplace inverse. If you are applying Laplace inverse for this Si minus A, Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse is equal to, okay, 1 by S plus 1 is equal to e power minus t. 0 Laplace transform is 0, 0 Laplace transform is 0, and this is e power minus 2t. So this is inverse Laplace transform of Si minus A inverse. Now we are going to calculate x of t. Okay, x of t we are going to calculate with initial conditions. So now substitute this value in the equation 1. So x1 of t, x2 of t is equal to e power minus t, 0, 0, e power minus 2t into x1 of 0 is given as 1 and x2 of 0 is given as minus 1. So if you multiply, this is e power minus t into 1 plus 0 into something. So you will get this as e power minus t, and this is 0 into 1, 0 plus e power minus 2t into minus 1. So this will be e power minus 2t. So from this one we can say x1 of t is equal to e power minus t and x2 of t is equal to minus e power minus 2t. So this is the values for the x1 of t and x2 of t. So solution of state equations is this one. So the right answer is equal to C. So if you check about the options, C is the right answer. Okay. Thank you.